Well, like all capital cities, stuff going on all the time. Scaffolding on this occasion, getting ready for whatever's going to be built inside. As I say, things are moving early. Although it must be getting close to 8 o'clock, which is a bit of a sleep-in for myself. It's the scourge of most cities, and in Sydney it's these line bikes. They are definitely everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Absolutely, definitely everywhere. And again, that's 5 in 100. Oh, we made it to Ho Chi Minh City. The traffic's a bit like the foot traffic in Osaka. Not for the weak. It's 9 o'clock, 9:30ish, 9:45. It's been a long day.
Yeah, it is.
Lots of coffee shops. Very bright lights.
So do you want some recommend about DZI?
Yeah,
Oh,
Action
cool.
4.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
Wow, there's no line markers, is there?
Wow, nice.
This is why we're not driving away.
It's like a car park, isn't it?
Is this electric?
Is this an electric vehicle?
No. This is just normal. But
Okay.
you feel smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds quiet.
What kind is it?
Yeah, this car is the new generation.
Kia.
It's a Kia.
Kia Carnival, yeah.
And you can see the green car in front of.
Yep.
Yeah, that is Vietnam electric car.
Uh-huh.
You will see the V.
V for Vietnam, yeah.
Yeah, no, VinFast.
Oh,
VinFast. Yeah. Yeah, it's like Vietnam.
It's like Vivatel. Yeah.
This business is the Vin Group. Yeah, all of they got a sentence. I mean the target is for the Vietnamese, so maybe that's the like a method to selling something. They are selling about the apartment.
All right.
A car like this. Before they release the electric car,
Uh-huh.
they are selling the
Petrol.
fuel car.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the fuel car is really good, but maybe for some reason they don't selling it anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they are focused about the electric car and motor.
Yeah, the little bikes.
Yeah, like maybe in Australia you don't see you know the Grab. We like Uber.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
In Vietnam we got the Grab.
Grab.
Yeah.
Grab. Yep.
Yeah. Grab.
Yep.
Yeah. Like just 1 minute. Green SM everywhere. I will show you.
Yep.
A man wear a jacket green.
Yep.
Ride
Same.
electric motorbike. Yeah.
Yep.
So let me see. You can see everywhere.
So we can get on the back of one. Is that what you mean? Like that they take you?
Yeah. Yeah. No, I'm good.
No, I'm not getting on one.
Yeah. He is the best one driver here. He's Oliver.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, our life's in his hands.
That's what he's doing.
Yeah, Vietnamese love peaceful and beer.
Yeah.
You will see the beer restaurant everywhere.
Yeah.
And I saw my first G25.
Good.
You come in Vietnam this time is really cool because maybe 1 month ago, it's really hot.
It's already,
It was really hot. Yeah.
it's hot enough now.
Sydney
That's
is
good.
the winter.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
but
we live in Tasmania, which
down
is
the bottom.
Down the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we get really cold.
Oh yeah.
Snow.
Oh, not for a few years.
How many accidents are there?
Every day.
Every day.
But
I'm just worried about the people on the motorbikes, on the scooters.
2 years currently,
Yep.
the accident in Vietnam is
Decreasing?
a lot
Good.
because we got a new government,
Uh-huh.
new rules. The rules is released every month. A new rules. Yeah.
Yep.
It's more difficult. So yeah, we are direct to like a new face of the country. We want a new, good civilized.
Yep.
Yes, and we need to invest of the foreigner come to Vietnam.
Yep.
So we need to change. Really, Vietnam is some people got the civilizer too much, but in some reason the people is not. So yeah, the city is really good.
This is where we're staying in Ho Chi Minh. Come in, quite a big room. The ladyship hanging up clothing for the next 2 weeks. Got your standard television, haven't had a look at that yet. Be interesting to watch some Vietnamese telly. Standard mirror. There is a very tiny balcony there that I'm not going to bother with because it's too high up for me. Bedside table. We have the standard dressing gown you get when you're staying anywhere in Asia. And of course, the bathroom tour. So, quite a sizable bath. Standard mobile head. You can pick up and move around. Toweling and whatnot. Standard toilet. Where you can call for help from the front desk if you needed it. And a mirror, because it's a bathroom. And there's the hand basin. All in all, not too bad. And of course over here, that I missed in the corner, there were some bottles of water we put in the fridge. Tea and coffee making facilities. So we're on what's known as a walking street in District 1. The humidity is amped up, as has the temperature, and the clouds are getting heavy. The traffic, however, never stops. How there aren't accidents is more of a wonder than the fact that there are some. And if we get a chance to show someone trying to use the pedestrian crossing, you'll see what I mean. Very nice park across the way. Got some older people doing exercises first thing in the morning. It's too humid and hot for me to be bothered. But there's plenty of trees about. Bit of shade is nice, but we've got cloud cover now as the storm's about to roll in. So I think they said in the odd angry shot you can set your watch by the rain. But not yet. And here we have scooters using the crossing. Remembering that they drive on the right hand side of the road here. It does get a bit daunting for me. But we have crossed a couple of streets. They were only side streets, but they were still sphincter tightening enough. Appear to be scooters. some reason. I guess because they can stack stuff in front of you like this fella has. There and behind. I've seen a family of 4. And the fellow there with the green hat, they're Go people, which is a service where you can use them as a cab. I would not bother taking my life in their hands. It's bad enough in the vehicles, in the cars. Going on in this hotel, conference hall on the top and a ballroom. Should be good for the Oricon, meeting, guest rooms, admin, health clubs and restaurants and whatnot. And here we are on level 6. It's mid-afternoon, I don't know, 4 o'clock or something, 4:30. Starting the build coming in from the side streets. But when the lights change down there, you will see the swamping run. That is the motor scooters of Ho Chi Minh City, and here they come. Oy. There's almost more motor scooters than there are people. Section. It's a bit like Shibuya in Japan, but with motorcycles and motor scooters, and the occasional bus chucked in. It's just through you go. No one really cares. It's not for the weak, I can imagine that. And there's one with mum on the back and the young fella in the middle. Just relentless. And once the sun goes down, the chaos levels seem to increase. People diving out of everywhere into oncoming traffic. But without any accidents. It is just truly bizarre. But there you go.